Hi everyone, thank you for your wonderful likes and subscribes. I have another video for you, and this time I'm using Big Bang Gel Polish, Lemon, Mimosa and Normandy Green, also black and white liner gel, and a little bit of stamping. The brushes I'm using is Pepine's Choice, Katarina's Choice and Detailer #1. And here I'm mixing the colors to create a couple of shades that I will need for this design. I'm currently at my holidays at the Amalfi coast in Italy, and inspired by all the designs over here, I wanted to do something with lemon. So lemon actually has a couple of shades, and mixing two different colors, it's very nice to give the lemon the more natural look. So these are all the colors that I used, and that's the end result. On top and the bottom of the design, I used stamping and these two swirly things on each side. So I used the Big Bang blue and then matte top coat, and I applied these stampings. Then with white gel polish and mixed with white liner gel, I used this to create the shape of the lime, of each line, and also the leaves. It doesn't have to be completely covering. Later I'm going to use the gel polishes colors to fill in all the shape. So here is another line. It's kind of pear-ish shape with a little thing on each side, but on the back it's going to be leaves, so it's not that important. You can play with this. I created two designs actually, and some of the elements were bigger and the other are a little bit smaller. So the leaves and some additional things if you like. Plan your design well, so then you'll know where are the colors are going. This is another leaf, and I will use this mixture of white gel polish and white liner gel to fix the stamping and add a couple of more swirls around. Of course, you could also do it without the stamping or without the swirls around. It's just a proposition. A lot of designs here in Italy looks like this, so I thought it would be nice to mimic it and do something similar. So I'm just fixing my stamps and adding these little things on the side. You can cure it whenever you want in between the steps, so then you won't damage anything. I'm using 3 different types of brush. This one is Katarina's Choice. It's just for details and for very small and fine lines. Once all the details are done and cured in the lamp, I'm applying next layer. I'm starting with the lighter colors of yellow, and this is lemon gel polish, and just covering all both lemons. I'm using one shade of yellow, and then I will blend it with another one. You can also cure it in the lamp in between layers, or just blend it together, two different shades. Once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna add a little bit of green, starting with the darker one in this case, and just some parts of it covering. It's not perfect coverage, just first layer. And then on top of that, I'll be adding lighter greens, the green that I mixed with yellow. You see now, it's getting better. Of course, you can play with different colors. You can use also neon green. It looks much brighter when the neon green is added. It could be neon gel polish or it could be neon powders mixed with gel polish. It also gives a great effect. On top of each lemon, I'm using lighter color, and on the bottom, slightly darker. And I'm building it up the color. There's actually no specific planning with this design. You could start with the leaves, then paint the lemons. But because I'm adding a couple of leaves on top of the lemons, that's why I started with the lemons first. Although I will be adding more shades to the lemons themselves. And here building a little bit more of the color, green it's Normandy green. It's a beautiful color, kind of grassy, darker grass, and then mixed with lighter greens or with yellows, it gives it a nice shade. Here on the bottom of the lemons, I'm adding slight little bit of orange. You can have an orange mixed with red mixed with yellow or actual gel polish orange. A little bit more of yellow and more yellow mixed with green on top of the leaves. Please have fun with the design, don't stress over it, it's just a little bit of practice to make it better, and it will be fine. And now I'm using black liner gel to outline the leaves. And if the black liner gel is too thick, you can mix it a little bit with black gel polish. So then your consistency will be easier to play with, and you may prefer that. I actually like the black liner consistency, but some people find it too thick and they must mix it with something. So mixing it with other gel, it makes it more more watery, more easier to play with. So both big leaves and small leaves, I'm fixing all the sides and the veins inside of them, just around. And also all these steps can be done later on top coat, but I'm doing it before applying the top coat. And later when I'll apply the top coat, I will also fix the sides, the outlines with white liner gel. Outline the lemons as well, and the top of the lemons. So they have kind of specific shape over there, just like this. I hope you can see it well. I'll zoom it in a little bit so you can see it better. Just around the lemon and here, a little curve over here, and another over there. Then matte top coat. Of course, this was cured in the lamp, and then matte top coat was applied. If you like it really, really matte, you can apply the matte top coat twice. And then my last step is adding a couple of highlights, just not everywhere, in some spots on top of each lemon and on top of each leaf. A little bit over there, just wherever you feel like the light is shining. I hope you like the design, and my next design will be quite similar, so you can see there will be very similar steps and very similar products used, but it will be with a little bit of red, so slightly different. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye!